Hello, my dear students. Welcome back. It's Miss Noha, your science teacher. Hope you are okay. Now it's time for our science class. We are still in lesson 2, unit 4, lesson 2, day and night patterns. Quickly, I will go through the lesson objective. Students will make observations to predict patterns of day and night. Okay, boys and girls, now let's begin our lesson. I need all of you to bring your book and to open on page 33. We will continue the lesson, so please open page 33. As always, we will highlight the important parts of the lesson, then I will explain, and in the end, it's question time. Okay, so I guess you prepared your highlighter. Okay, today's topic is about moon phases. Moon phases. Maybe it's the first time to hear about the phases of the moon, so we will understand all about it. Just bear with me. Okay, let's highlight the important parts. The moon does not make its own light. Sunlight, highlight with me, sunlight reflects off the moon. This makes the moon appear to change shapes in the sky. Moon phases are the different moon shapes we see each month. The phases of the moon change as it moves around Earth each month. Okay, I guess you highlighted the important parts of the lesson. Okay, now leave your highlighter and let's begin explaining. So I need you to focus with me so that you can get the full mark in the worksheet today. You have this picture in your book in page 33. You can see the moon. But of course you are asking yourself now, why the moon seems to change throughout the month? We will understand today why. First, I want to ask all the boys and girls in grade 1, does the moon shine? Does the moon shine? Well, I will tell you right now. The moon does not make its own light. I need you right now at night to look out of the window. You will tell me, Miss, but I can see the moonlight. I can see it. How come the moon does not make its own light? I don't understand. Can you please tell me? Because I need to know. I will tell you right now. So please, I need you to focus with me. Okay, what are these objects in the sky? We took the names of these objects. You will tell me this is the sun, that is Earth, and that is the moon. Okay, so why the moon seems to shine in the sky? Why it seems to shine? Well, actually, the moon reflects the light from the sun. So sunlight reflects off the moon. Look at the sun. Here is the sun. So the moon is acting like a mirror. It's acting like a mirror. So look, that is the light coming from the sun. It is shining on the moon, and then the moon will reflect the light from the sun. That's why you see the moon is shining. It's actually a piece of rock. Okay, it cannot make its own light, but it's only reflecting sunlight. It is we took the word reflect before. We said reflect like the mirror. Okay, when light bounces off an object, we call it reflection. We took it before. So as you can see, the moon is just reflecting light from the sun. This makes the moon appear to change shapes in the sky, and we will understand how it's changing shapes. So the moon, it's actually a ball of rock. Its shape does not change, but only part of it is shining, okay, and throughout the month. Okay. But we will not say the shape of the moon is changing. We have to give it a name. So we will call it moon phases. So the different shapes of the moon throughout the month, because we said it is reflecting light from the sun, Okay, so throughout the month we can see different shapes. These different shapes we will call it moon phases. So if I asked you what are the moon phases, you will tell me they are the different moon shapes we see each month. Okay, but the question that is going through your mind right now, why the shapes of the moon changes? Why the phases of the moon changes? Why we see different phases of the moon throughout the month? Why, miss? What exactly happens? I will tell you. We agreed that the moon, last time we said the moon is moving around Earth. Look, the moon is here, it's moving around Earth. Now it's over there, and then it will come here, and so on. So it's moving around Earth. So the moon moves around Earth each month. That's why you see different parts of the moon is shining. Okay, different parts of the moon is shining. That's why you can see the different phases of the moon throughout the month. Okay, time for questions to see if you understood today's topic. So, as I said before, you need to answer before I say the answer. Okay, let's look at the first question. The moon reflects light from the, I will give you a picture. The moon is reflecting light from the sun. Okay, moving on to the next question. What are the different moon shapes we see each month? The different shapes of the moon, as you can see here in the picture, these different shapes of the moon, what do we call these shapes? Moon phases. Yes, we've been talking about the moon phases. Okay, the third and the last question. Let's see who will answer. The what moves around Earth? What is moving around Earth? What is moving around Earth? Here is Earth. What is moving around Earth? And we see it throughout the month. If we look up in the sky, we will see the moon. Excellent. Thank you all for attending and listening to the science class. I will upload the worksheet now. Please solve it and send it back to me. Thank you all so much and goodbye.